Welcome back to our family's kitchen. Growing up in our house, weekends seemed to be company time. We were either out visiting relatives or being visited. These visits around the kitchen table always ended up with someone saying, "How about a little bite of something? Are you hungry?" Or, "How about a little snack?" Now, if you're going to talk like that in our family, you had better be prepared. I believe that's how we learn to always keep some extra food items in the pantry. With that thought in mind, today's theme is Nacho Typical Lunch. And an added bonus, today's lunch, or afternoon snack if you will feed 4 people with 4 ingredients for less than $10. Check this out. By the way, the prices listed are from our shopping trip on September 20th, 2023 at our go-to store, Aldi's. Well, that's our nacho typical lunch. So grab your favorite afternoon adult beverage or soda and treat your visitors. But speaking of adult beverages, I stopped into a bar recently to have a drink with my sister-in-law, and she says to the bartender, "I'd like a glass of your finest less, please." The bartender says, "Less? What is that, some kind of craft beer?" Then my sister-in-law says, "I'm not sure. My doctor told me about it. He said I should drink less." Anyway, that's it for today. Please let us know what you think. And as always, thanks for stopping by our family's kitchen. Please subscribe. And until next time, na zdrowie.